press a few buttons and it's completely free. You're gonna first click on the play button, wait a few seconds, and then you're gonna click on the download button, and then just like that, you're gonna earn anywhere from $50 to $70. All you need is any device already available to you. It's super easy, quick, simple, and free, and all you need is a few minutes and to click a few buttons, and just like that, you're gonna earn over $800. So if you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about, then make sure that you check out
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out.
So I want you guys to take a look at this, okay? There are a ton of audiobooks available on Amazon.com, and people continue to buy them every single day. People just visit Amazon, they shop around, get any audiobook that's already available, and you can earn hundreds of dollars and even thousands of dollars online just by selling all of these audiobooks. So you're not gonna need any, technical knowledge or skills whatsoever to create any ebooks. You're not gonna need to know how to design, graphic design, whatever, because I'm going to show you a straightforward strategy that no one else has talked about actually, and you're going to be able to make easily $400 by using the free tools. The free tools that I'm going to be showing you. So I'm going to show you something real quick, okay? I want to show you an interesting new development based on the Amazon business on acx.com. So on this website, they are going to help you making your book into an audiobook, which is then going to be released on different platforms like Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. And as you can see, these websites will, take care of the publication of all audiobooks, and thousands of people also come here every day to buy them. We're not going to be writing any ebooks in today's video. Instead, we're going to play the role of the narrator. So let me explain the process in detail. The first step is you're going to register for a free profile. So you have to register on ACX, and I'm going to teach you how to do this exactly in a moment. You're going to upload different examples. So once you create a free account, you can read books while earning money, and this is one of the samples of the book that people want you to read. All you need to do is read the book cover to be paid when you submit the script to ACX. Now we're using a pretty basic tool here, so you're not going to need to put in any effort whatsoever to read any of the scripts. As soon as you provide your audio sample to ACX.com, we're going to be able to choose from a ton of different payment options. You have the option of receiving payment through bank transfer, PayPal money, or Bitcoin, Payoneer, Paytm, or Skrill. Now there are a lot of ways to pay out, and there are two ways that you can be paid. You have two payment options. So one, you can choose to be paid hourly, and two, you can choose to share 50% of the royalties. If you are paid on a per finished hour basis, you are going to be paid for every minute that the script is read. The second method is that after your books are released, let's say on Amazon, you're going to start receiving 50% of the royalties from each audiobook sale. Every time someone buys any of the ebooks that you read, whatever happens in a week or a month or a year, 10 years from now, you're always going to receive 50% of the sale price. Now there are two options for how you want to be paid and how you can withdraw your earnings. Before that, step number 4 is super important because you have to pass a very simple test, which is basically called an addition. If you guys want to know you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below. You definitely won't regret doing so. Also, why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you'd rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos as well. Now let's continue. So you're going to have to choose one of these ebooks to go and submit an audition to sample them. Once they accept you, you can start working and receiving payment every day. Now don't worry, I'm going to show you a free tool on how you're going to do this, so you're not going to have to read any of the scripts or use any expensive equipment like microphones or cameras. I'm going to show you in detail how you're going to copy and paste a complete script, use the free tools number 1 and 2 to perform all of the reading for you, and send a sample script to them for you to pass the audition. Now, you can skip each of these steps if you use the special technique. You can proceed right away to the final stage to receive the payment without having to do any recording or reading. I'm now going to go through some examples of the additions that you can submit. For example, you can see that there are more than 2,000 different audio addition samples ebooks here. When you submit any of these examples and they accept you, you're going to get paid. They're going to give you a script for all these ebooks to read. And this is just one example of a script for an addition. Now, most of the people will begin reading the script. They're going to need a microphone, and it's going to take them minutes or even hours to finish. But I do want to demonstrate something that is amazing in today's video. I want you to visit ttsreader.com, where you're going to be able to copy and paste the complete script and select whatever voice you want. For example, you can choose between male, female, UK English, and US English, okay? Now, let's assume that you're deciding to use this voice. You can turn your script, highlight everything, select copy, return to the free tool, remove the text, and then just paste the script over here. After that, all you need to do is press the play button. You can then listen to a sample of the audio after clicking the play button. Using AI technology and a robot, TTS Reader is going to automatically read the script for you in a voice that sounds amazingly natural. Again, you can select from any voice accent, male or female, and this is entirely automatic and just powered by technology. When you're satisfied with your audio, you can download it into your computer or your phone by just clicking the download button. And to get accepted, you can do that and upload the entire audio sample to acx.com. And the second free tool that I want to demonstrate and let you guys use and dive into is naturalreader.com. Over here, you can get a voice that is considerably more powerful and realistic by doing this. Now, there are a ton of alternatives when you visit the website, wherein you can paste any text into this box, select any voice that you want. Once more, all you have to do is paste the complete script into this box and press play to hear a preview. Once you select a voice that you like, you can just click this button to download it as an MP3 file to your computer or phone, where you can then submit it to be accepted. And that basically sums up the entire tactic, which is very easy and very basic. But like I promised you, I have a bonus trick for you. You can locate several freelancers on Fiverr.com who offer different services to record a voiceover sample by simply going to the website, searching for the keyword voiceover, and clicking the search button. Let's say we choose this seller, and that's going to direct me to this page where you can see that he records an American male voiceover narration professionally, and he charges $25 for every narration. Now, you can locate some other sellers that will only charge $5 to $10, which is way less, and the magic happens here because you're not going to require to pay the seller right away. You can scroll down below, look for the contact option. I want you to click the contact me button so that you can send the audition script in a note or email to the seller, asking them to perform a sample demo for you. Once the seller provides that audition sample, you can submit that to ACX, and that is all for completely free. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure you show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell so that you're going to be notified every time we have a new video posted. And let's keep going then. So you can go back to Fiverr to pay this freelancer the moment they accept you, and by using this method, you can request a free sample, go back to this website, submit them without having to put any of the work and of your own money at risk. If they don't accept, you can just move on, find another seller, keep doing this until they do. And to make sure that you can work with this freelancer, they're trying to sell you things for $5 to $10, which you could easily return to ACX and make $100 in return. It's a quicker, more intelligent approach. You have the option of using either this free tool or the Fiverr tips on ACX. So it's absolutely amazing. It's super easy to sign up on everything. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.